Hello there, welcome to this short video on how to apply for a course online at Myerscough College. Applying for a course may seem a little daunting at first, but this step-by-step video should guide you through the process of applying with us if you're leaving school and looking to enter further education. Step 1. Choose a course. Let's imagine you're looking to apply to Myerscough College after completing your GCSEs. Hover over the School Leavers tab and then click on the course list in the drop-down menu. You'll be greeted with a page like this, which lists all of our subject areas at further education level. From agriculture to engineering through to veterinary nursing, we have a wide range of land-based and sports subjects, so do take your time browsing. In this example, we'll select Animal Studies, but of course you can choose any subjects that you might be interested in. Your next page will look like this, which lists the courses on offer within that subject area that you've selected. You might see courses at different levels and wonder which one's right for me. Taking the Animal Studies course as an example, a City and Guilds Level 1 would be taught at entry level, a Level 2 course is the same as GCSE standard, and a Level 3 is taught to A-level standard. If you're unsure what's the best route to take, drop us a query into the live chat box in the bottom right corner of our website and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, as we're doing this from the perspective of a student leaving school after doing GCSEs and then wanting to progress to an A-level standard, we'll select the Level 3 course. Don't worry if your GCSE results aren't quite as good as you'd hope for. We'll simply recommend maybe moving you down a level or maybe assessing your work during the first couple of months at college to make sure that you're still on track and the course is indeed suitable for you. Take a good look at the course fact sheet. It includes the course modules in detail and entry criteria. If you then think the course is the right one for you, fantastic. Some courses, such as the Level 3 Animal Management, are offered at various campuses. If this is the case, simply select the location you wish to study and then click on Apply for this course online. Step 2. Register with us. Now, you may need to register with us, particularly if you're applying online for the very first time. If you're unsure if you've already been registered, you can simply click on the Am I Already Registered tab. Type in your email address into the box on the following page and then click Check if registered. If you are registering for the first time, don't worry, it's a very simple and quick process. All you have to do is click Register and on the next screen type in your email address, then a secure password and your name in the boxes as labelled. Click Register and then you're done and you can now log in. You'll enter our admissions portal. Your selected study programme will be on screen in the My Selected Courses section. But if it isn't there, you can either search for the chosen course again in the search box, or you can reapply via the course fact sheet page. Step 3. Finishing your application. From the admissions portal, click the Proceed button. Then on the following page, you'll need to type in some personal details. On the next page, we then require additional information, such as if you require accommodation and your residency status within the UK. Now, if you have a disability or a learning difficulty, please tell us. We're a fully inclusive college. Your needs have no bearing whatsoever on the success of your application. We want to provide you with the support that you need in order to get the best learning experience at Myerscough College, so please do tell us. The next page requires your personal statement. We want to know all about you, your interest in the course and how you think it will help you with your future career ambitions. Then you're nearly there, just a couple more pages and your application will be complete. We now need your qualifications. In our School Leaver section, for example, this would be your GCSEs. Let us know the results of each subject, the grade that you've been awarded or are expecting to be awarded. It's then time to finalise your application. Click the check boxes signifying that all the information you've told us is accurate and you've met all of the prerequisites, and now you're ready to submit that application. You then should receive an email confirming that your application has been successfully submitted. We will then send you an offer letter in writing with details of how to sign into our student login system. You can find your offer in the Messages tab. Please accept or decline your offer as soon as possible, as well as answering the rest of the questions in the Details tab. If you're under 18 years of age, then a parent or guardian will have to confirm or complete the information for you via the parent portal. We hope this video has helped you in applying for your dream course at Myerscough College, but if you have any queries, please do get in touch. Details are on screen now, as well as in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, good luck with your results, and we look forward to welcoming you soon to Myerscough College.